So let's solve this problem. So if you're planning to put your money in Imaya Bank savings account, and this is now the interest being computed every day, then using this formula for the computation of interest, so that's the end of day balance times the interest rate divided by 365 days. So using now this table for us to know the distribution of your money and the interest, then for this one-time deposit, so if you put 100,000 pesos as your one-time deposit, so your savings is also equal to 100,000 pesos. Then for this interest rate, so to solve for the interest rate using this formula, so the interest rate divided by 365. So example, the interest rate is 6% and 6% in decimal. So this is 0.06, then divide by 365. So this is now the interest rate. So that's 0.000164384. Then to find out the interest amount, so the savings, then times the interest rate. So this is now the interest amount for day 1, that's 16.44. So your total money now for day 1 is the savings plus the interest amount. So you have 100,000, 16.44 pesos. Then for day 2, so your savings now is this end of the balance and the interest rate. So this interest rate all the way. So that's 0.00164384. So to solve now for the interest amount, so we have the savings, then times the interest rate. So you have 16.44, then the total money, so the savings plus the interest amount. So this is now your money after day 2. So that's 100,032.88 pesos. So this is now your end of day balance. Then in the third day, this is now your savings. Then for the interest amount, so we have your savings times the interest rate. So this is now the interest. Then your money, so we have the savings, then plus the interest amount. So in day 3, your money becomes 100,049.32 pesos. Then in day 4, so this is now your new amount. Then for the interest amount, so we have the savings times the interest rate. So this is now the interest amount and the total money in day 4. So the savings plus the interest amount. So you have 100,065.75 pesos. Then for day 5, so this is now your new savings. So the end of the balance. Then for the interest amount, so we have the savings times the interest rate. So your total money is 100,082.22 pesos. So after 1 month, we just need to drag this one. So after 31 days, so your money becomes 100,510.85 pesos. So therefore, the interest in 31 days is 510.85 pesos. Then if you continue after 1 year, so the same process. So this is day 1 for the second month, and your new savings is 100,510.85 pesos. Then again, the same interest rate. Then to solve for the interest amount, so the savings times the interest rate. So the interest is 16.52 and the new amount or the total amount is 100,527.37. So this is the movement of your money in Imaya Bank savings account. So if your one-time deposit is 50,000 and this is now the movement of your money, so this is 50,000. So after 31 days, your money becomes 50,255.42. So the interest amount is 255.42 pesos.